to disable email notifications on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can disable email notifications on OnlyFans. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com. Then press enter to search it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach to this interface. Here at the left side, you will find various options. Under it, click on this notification option and you will be presented with this window. Here click on the settings icon at the top and then you will see various notification options at the right side. From here, click on the email notification option and here you will see the email notifications which is currently turned on by default. Now to disable it and stop getting these email notifications, you just simply have to click on this toggle button and disable them. Once you do so, you won't get any email notifications from your OnlyFans account. So in this way, you can disable email notifications on your OnlyFans account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.